Chapter 17, Part 1, Translation. Ils seront partis avant que tu le saches. So here we've got partir, that's the past participle of to leave, and it's conjugated with être in the future here. So they will have left avant before you know it. So avant always takes the um, subjunctive. So that's why we have savoir in the subjunctive here. They will have left before you know it. Il aurait voulu vous voir avant votre départ. So here we've got the main verb is vouloir, past participle, and it's conjugated with avoir, and here it's in the conditional. Remember, the conditional is the stem plus the imperfect ending. So he would have wanted to see you before votre departure, or he would have wanted to see you before you leave. Il aurait dû te le donner. So here we've got devoir and il aurait dû. The conditional perfect would be he should have given or it to you. So we translate the past participle or the infinitive as a past participle in aurait dû sentences. He should have given it to you.